Good morning, Bastien from BVN Realty in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua. I'm going to show you today a lot of a quarter acre, bit more than a quarter acre, for sale in San Juan del Sur. The neighborhoods we are, it's called La Talanguera. La Talanguera is the north part of the bay of San Juan. We are here less than 2 blocks from the beach. So going on this same street, finishing this block, we have the beach of San Juan del Sur. This is the area without bar, it's just a residential area. So it's quiet, safe, clean, and next 2 hours there is like main big house over there. So we are in very good neighborhood. Here we have a lot of about 25 meters wide on the street for 50 meters deep. So it's 1200 square meters, a bit more than quarter acre. We are going to see the lot right now. So here is the lot. Property line is here and is 25 meters on the street. We are going to see inside a bit. So it's flat, easy to build. There is like some trees, it's good because we have a natural line of trees on the east part of the lot, on my right side. You see there is like wall. We are just neighbors with an hotel called Hotel Pacifico. And we have access to the main road if we continue to Pacific Marlin and the Christ. Actually from the lot we will see the Christ statue. I'm going to show it to you now. So upper, do you see here? We have the hills of San Juan del Sur. This is the north part of the bay, and here with the Christ statue. So it's a premium location. The lot is big, so it will be easy to cut into in 4, make some development, make some cut and resell. It's also a perfect lot to build your main house, so it could be like a big mansion on this part, the pool where I am, and parking lot over here. So many options on this lot. So today this lot is listed at $90,000. It makes, as a Spanish measurement, $57 per barras quadrada. The barras quadrada is the Nicaraguan unit, is like the square yard. So it's 1500 square yard. And it's just a bit more than a quarter acre. We are going to go back outside and join where is the beach to show you that we are very close and there is no problem for you to walk to the beach. It's about a minute and a half, 2 minutes walking. I joined this tour with my bicycle, so we will do it faster to don't consume too much time on the video. So we have several houses for sale in this neighborhood. Is one of the only lots still available. Okay, let's go. So I'm driving west on the beach direction. Going right now, if I take right, I will go on the hill to go to Pacific Marlin residence. Hey neighbors. So here you have a place called Elemento del Sur. It's a nice hotel boutique. I already see the water here behind those line of house. So there is a beach access that I will take. Oh yeah, the beach access is over there. So let's go to the beach of San Juan del Sur. We're gonna see it in a minute. Let's go. Here I am, you see, riding bicycle as easy as it is. Let's come back on the main video. And here we arrive. So you see, it took me 40 seconds to arrive on the beach of San Juan del Sur. 2 guys are walking here. I guess they live near, they are like local neighbors. So it was probably like 300 meters to arrive on the beach. And here I am, beach of San Juan del Sur, the Christ on the north part of the bay. It's low tide today. I love when it's like this. There is a large beach to enjoy. Here San Juan del Sur. West is straight to us. And back to the neighborhood to show you here. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.